What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another day, another vlog, another Everyday Shep. This is our setup. It's basically a disaster. This little bin right here is our toy bin, and they just take out whatever toys they want, and they're kind of all over the place, which is fine. Works out great. This little pergola that I built at the beginning of the year, or back in July when we first started coming here, just kind of threw it together to have some shade. We've got our awning out to keep the sun away, but it's not really that sunny right now, but it's nice to have it out. Got some music playing in the background, 80s music, gotta love it. This is our little setup here. It's not bad. Gets the job done. So we just got home from the campground. It's Sunday. It's Sunday fun day. It's really just nice to get away for just even that short amount of time. It's just nice to switch it up a little bit. We've just been doing these little 24-hour trips because Brittany has gymnastics at 10 o'clock on Saturday. So we usually leave kind of right after that, 11:30, 12, during the twins' nap time. We get down there, we enjoy the afternoon, enjoy the evening, and then we leave on Sundays around the same time. So we get home around 1:30-ish. Today, Jenny actually has another photo shoot, so she's absolutely crushing it right now. She's homeschooling during the week. Her photography business is picking back up again, which is amazing, and she's super excited about. Big props out to Jenny. And I'm the luckiest dude. She absolutely is just totally crushing it. So I got the 4 kids. 4 kids. Yes, I got the 4 kids. I was thinking 3, but clearly it's 4. One of them, the twins, you could count as 1 because technically, no, it's 4. So me and the 4 kids, we're just hanging out. They're watching TV. Cash is outside playing on the deck, ripping up leaves. Yuck. That's not supposed to go in your mouth. Oh, you weirdo. You weirdo. That's not supposed to go in your mouth. It's a leaf. It's a leaf. It's a crumbly leaf. I'm actually thankful that it's going as easy as it is because Mommy's not home. Sometimes they get a little upset when she leaves, but they've actually been really good. And only another couple hours and then it'll be dinner time. I mean, sometimes you just gotta have good old-fashioned mac and cheese. It's always a curveball. You never know what you're gonna get. But for now, we're just chilling. We're just chilling. Ah! You can't! Ah! What? You're not supposed to kick me! Ah! You're not supposed to kick me! Ah! It's still super nice out. It's probably still mid-70s. So for like end of September, you can't really ask for anything better. I'm gonna have to give you a daily update in my backyard because I don't know, it was like not even a week ago, a few days ago when I showed you this, and they were still green. There was only small traces of color. Look at it now. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. I mean, look at this one back here. Look at that tree right there. It's actually really pretty. Let me see if I can, look at that. That's gonna be a fun video. You guys are gonna watch me blow the leaves off my yard. It's gonna happen. What? What do you hear? What do you hear? And this is what happens when Mommy comes home.
I missed you too. What do you do while I was gone?
Say nothing. Not getting into trouble. You want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?